It's hard to pick one composer, but I mean, usually it's always the last composer that I listen to. Like, I mean, I could say Prokofiev is one of my favorite composers. There's so many deep and profound emotions throughout the piece, which also makes it a very difficult.